Hello everyone, Princess and the Bear here, and today we're going to
Soarin' Over the World.
Yep, so we're going to Soarin' Over the World, take a break from this ridiculous heat today.
It's hot.
And the rain, I think it's about to rain here too. But we want to hear your thoughts on where you think Soarin' ranks on Epcot's rides.
Yes, do you like Soarin'? Do you like Soarin' Over the World, Soarin' Over California? Let us know.
And then I'm curious just how long you're willing to wait in line to ride Soarin' Over the World.
That is a good question. Yeah, how long are you willing to wait?
30 minutes, 50 minutes, hour, 2 hours?
3 hours? 5 hours?
15 minutes for all I know, but I want to hear from you. Well, let's go.
Be sure to subscribe.
Smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party to arrive. Let's review. Seat belt carrying, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands around inside at all times.
Soarin' to tower. We are ready for takeoff. of our entire flight crew. Thanks for soaring with us. The one fact
So we just got off Soarin'. One of my favorite breaks from the heat here at Epcot.
I miss the California one. I like Soarin' Over California better.
Well, they upgraded the sprayers. It smells a lot stronger now.
The smells are stronger.
A lot stronger. And distinctly different. Before it was just all oranges. Now it's
For
like
the most part, yeah.
grassland, oranges,
Jasmine.
jasmine.
Dirt.
Some things. Different places, I guess. It's looking good.
Yeah. It's
Still comfy.
doing pretty well since it was renovated.
It's one of the few rides I don't mind waiting for.
No.
At least it's inside.
Everybody loves Soarin'.
Everybody. Well, until next time.
Sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.